Hello students, before starting the new topic, subtraction of fractions, uh, I'll clear some doubts regarding addition of fractions. The first one is addition of a fraction and a whole number. So let us take an example of a mixed number. Suppose I have taken this 2 1 by 4 and 4. So here 4 is a whole number. So students are asking how to add it. Whenever any whole number is there, you can convert this into improper fraction. So 4 by 1 is an improper fraction. Now here convert this into improper fraction. Mixed number into improper fraction. 4 to the 8 1. 9 by 4 plus 4 by 1. Now in the denominator you have 4 and 1. So LCM will be 4. Divide by the denominator, multiply by the numerator. Here same. So 4 ones are 4, 9 ones are 9, divide by 1, 4, 4 4s are 16, and the answer is 25 by 4. Now because it is improper fraction, so divide it. 4 6 are 24, 6 1 by 4 is the answer. So whenever we add any whole number to a mixed number or any improper fraction, convert this whole number into improper fraction and then add by taking same LCM. Some of the students, they get confused while I take an example of addition. It is 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5 plus 3 by 7. So here there is no need to take LCM of these numbers because all these numbers are prime and they don't have any common factor. Here the LCM is 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. 5 3s are 15, 15 7s are 105. So in such type of fractions where the denominators have no common factor, take the LCM directly. Don't do it like this way. It will take a lot of time. You are doing like this, then again you are dividing by this, then you are dividing by this 7. So don't do by this way. There is no need to do this. Directly take LCM by multiplying these numbers. I hope it is clear to you. Now let's start our new topic, that is subtraction of fractions. So it is same like addition only. The difference is here we have to subtract, not to add. For example, 7 upon 15 minus 3 upon 5. Now here the denominators are different, but you see 15 is a multiple of 5. So if we take LCM of both the numbers, 15 should be the LCM. If two numbers are there and one is the multiple of the other number, we can take the multiple of other number as a LCM. So 15 is the LCM. 15 ones are 15, 7 ones are 7. This concept is already clear to you. 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9. Now here our answer is in negative form. It doesn't matter. It is not a fraction but a rational number because I have taken a random example. So the answer here is minus 2 upon 5. Now let's take one more example. Sometimes the question is written like this: subtract 2 1 by 7 from 5 1 by 3. It means this one is to be written first and this is to be written after that. So it means from means 5 1 by 3 minus 2 1 by 7. Our first step will be same like 5 3s are 15 1. 16 upon 3 converting into improper fraction. 7 2s are 14 1. 15 upon 7. Now here again you see this 3 and 7 has no common factor. So we can take the LCM by multiplying it. It's 21. Divide, then multiply. 7, 16 sevens are 112 minus 7 threes are 21, 15 threes are 45. So subtract it. 7, 67 upon 21. Now 67 is more than 21. So let us convert this number into mixed fraction. 21 2s are 42, 21 3s are 63. So our mixed number is 3 4 by 21. So don't get panicked about subtraction. It is same like addition only. You know, got the concept also. If from is written, then first of all write the second number and subtract the first number from it. Now I'll tell you how to simplify the question. Simplify. In simplification, it may be 4 1 by 3 plus 2 1 by 6 minus 1 1 by 4. So addition and subtraction both come side by side. Our first step again is convert into improper fraction. 4 to 12 1, 13 upon 3, 6 to the 12 1, 13 upon 6 minus 4 1s are 4 1, 5 upon 4. Now here the denominators are 3, 6 and 4, and 6 and 4, 3 and 6, they have common factors. So let us take LCM by this long division method only. 3 1s are 3, 3 to the 6, 4 is there. Now 2, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So LCM is 3 into 2 into 2, it is 12. So let's take 12 as LCM. Then again the same process. Divide by the denominator, multiply. Divide and multiply. So 12 divided by 3, that is 4. 13 4s are 52. 6 2s are 12. 23 2s are 4 3s are 12. 3 5s are 15. Now these two numbers are to be added and 15 to be subtracted. So don't take a chance. Add it separately. 8 78. 78 minus 15, it is 63 upon 12. Now see if there is any common number which can divide both the numerator and denominator. Yes, both are divisible by 3. So let's divide by 3's table. 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are, and it is 21 upon 4. So it means 21 upon 4 is to be converted into mixed numbers. 4's table, 4 5s are 20. 5 is a whole number, 1 is left. So 5 1 by 4 is the answer. So this